I'm James Nagel, one of the creators of SolarGrade, the new solar in-field software. Currently, on-site renewable work is inefficient, leading to higher O&M cost, lower asset quality, and higher operational risk. As O&M companies are driven toward price reduction, the problem worsens, resulting in slower response, poor training, and ineffective reporting and analytics. Then, when operational issues arise, personnel risk, lawsuit costs, slow corrective actions, and lost production take a huge toll on safety, financials, and reputation. Applying a JEDI lens, when these operational issues turn into fires, disadvantaged communities are often affected first and worst. Furthermore, as the solar industry grows, it must support and sufficiently guide newcomers to promote technical proficiency and reduce barriers of entry. The core problem of deficient asset care must, then, be resolved by a solution grounded in reliability and safety while guiding teams towards proficiency and consistency. SolarGrade is the tool that does just that. It's a cloud-based desktop application paired with a mobile app, specifically designed to elevate renewable energy asset care. The solution amplifies team effectiveness in the field, which lowers O&M costs and delivers safer, more reliable projects. SolarGrade facilitates team communication on site, therein driving faster issue resolution. So, project uptime is increased by decreasing downtime. The software then digitizes the on-site experience, creating what we call non-metered data, which can be used for a traceable bill of health and comprehensive field analytics. Let's take a closer look at the software. After logging into solargrade.io, I see my portfolio of projects, upcoming fieldwork, and the major issues affecting my operations. The Projects tab is where I manage my portfolio. Here, my projects are organized by client and system data is easily available. I have associated georeferenced project drawings, and my log of on-site work, referred to as inspections, is summarized here. Let's look at one. At the top is the inspection information detailing the field work performed. Getting into the core functionality of the tool, inspections are organized into sections, categories, and items to standardize and make fieldwork consistent. Following this framework, inspectors tag issues and ensure that nothing is missed. For example, I can easily flag a cross-threaded connector by clicking Found and reviewing the pre-written description that notes what was found, why we care, and what we should do about it. I then locate the issue with my device's built-in GPS. Add and mark up photos, assign criticality, occurrence, and the action taken for the issue. The mobile app has similar functionality and works on and offline. And several inspectors can work simultaneously on the same project. When finished, I click Generate Report, and the software compiles the on-site experience into an easy-to-read dynamic report that clearly presents issues and links associated photos. I can export all issues and metadata to CSV or connect to other apps through the API. The software reduces labor costs by 30%, avoids facility downtime, which clients have valued at $1 million per day, and collects project data for intelligent data analytics. As a JEDI solution, SolarGrade promotes project reliability and safety through consistency and diligence, while facilitating team training and proficiency. There are few software solutions specifically designed for the renewable industry. Often, renewable companies adapt construction industry software, which does not quite meet the needs of our sector. We're specifically meeting that demand with SolarGrade. Still, our biggest competitors are construction software products and the inertia of status quo solutions. Since the READY submission, we've been integrating into those large construction software platforms. This avoids direct competition and leverages their branding. We've been working with field teams and training organizations, ensuring SolarGrade adoption by end users and that SolarGrade is providing the value we promise. Heliovolta, our company behind SolarGrade, has been bootstrapping the software development from our own funds and time. We use and test the tool while conducting professional services, which also acts as marketing for the software as clients receive the work product generated through SolarGrade and easily see the value in it. This has led to signups, beta users, and our first paying customers. With the traction on both the software and engineering services, we've hired a lead software engineer and an engineering manager. Our business plan has become more robust as we continually assess our product market fit and refine forecasted revenue. Our initial focus is on the O&M space, in the fragmented commercial and industrial segment. We target directors of O&M because these decision makers benefit the most from a more efficient team and improved asset care track record. Looking at this target market, currently consisting of over 240,000 solar professionals, TAM is over $500 million, SAM is around $200 million, And assuming a 4% SAM market share by 2027, SOM is estimated at $12 million in annual recurring revenue. Our market approach is push-pull. First, pushing to O&M teams through labor cost reduction and fieldwork value propositions. Second, pulling SolarGrade into asset owner and asset host O&M contracts, driving toward more reliable and transparent asset care. David Peñalva and I are the founders behind SolarGrade. David has been in the industry for over 15 years, leading engineering teams, leveraging an extensive network to drive business development, and has a knack for great customer relations. I've been in solar for over 10 years, managing technical implementation, crafting marketing content, and creating custom technical solutions with an emphasis on user experience. After our 25 years of working on operating issues, we built the tool we wish existed for the renewable industry. Learn more at solargrade.io.